Hello there, YouTube. I hope that your day has been going great. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a video that's a tad bit different. I do have to say, before I even get started, I do not suggest doing this unless you're doing this on your own home networks, because it is actually very illegal, and I'm only doing this for educational purposes. So, with that warning out of the way, let's get started with the video. Now, you're probably wondering, what exactly do I have here? This is called a Node MCU, the ESP2866 model, and this actually has a Wi-Fi deauthor flashed on it, which I flashed myself. And I'm actually not going to be including any links to get this in the description because, again, I do care about you guys, and I don't want any of you getting arrested because of this video. So, therefore, enjoy the video, and let's get straight into it. So, basically, this is just a little dev board, or developer board. So, it comes with this piece of styrofoam so you don't, like, shock yourself. On the front, you have all the little components to actually activate the thing, and then on the back you have a little information on like how it runs, and in the middle, the big bulky piece is actually a Wi-Fi chip. So everything that you can do on this board is through servers and Wi-Fi, so that's pretty neat. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in here. But basically what this does is it can actually take down any Wi-Fi around you. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into this phone that I've got here. I'm going to go into settings. And meanwhile, I'm going to go and plug this up into the wall. So I will be back in just a second. Alright, I'm back, and now that that is plugged up, we should have another Wi-Fi network. So, as you can tell, I am connected to Wi-Fi. Now, by default, once you do flash it, or if you buy it pre-flashed, I just dropped my phone. If you do buy it pre-flashed, it's gonna go ahead and be named Pond by default. So, there's a little warning that says internet unavailable. That's a lie. It's completely available. But this little board just creates its own Wi-Fi network that you can connect to. So, go ahead and do that. Now, once you are here, just go ahead and paste in the address like that. So it's 192.168.4.1. Then once you do that, go ahead and go to it. Once you're here, you're going to get a warning. It's just going to tell you about the dangers of using this in public. Because again, it's illegal. If you do like this video, make sure that you go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite part of the video is so far, and go ahead and comment any other video ideas that you would like to see on this channel. So, just a little warning for you if you're new. But once you are on the website, go ahead and click SSID. If you don't know what that means, that's basically what the Wi-Fi or the the network's name is. So, go ahead and connect to that. So click SSIDs. Go ahead and once you're there, click scan. So just go ahead and click scan, then click scan APS. You're gonna get all of these nice little MAC addresses. If you don't know what a MAC address is, basically a MAC address is similar to an IP, but you can't really spoof it. It's basically the IP directly to the hardware of the computer, so it can always be traced back. So just a little fact for you. Now you may have to scan it a couple times, but again, see, I just scanned it again, and now just go ahead and select however many you want. I'm gonna leave the hidden one unchecked because this is this actual network, so I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that unchecked. Now once you do have all of them checked, go ahead and click attacks. Now you'll see that you have under the DOF, it says 4 targets. So this may differ if you're doing this, but once you get here, just go ahead and click start. Now just for a proof of concept, I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect to the actual network, so it does prove. It's actually not gonna let me connect, I don't believe, because I don't have Wi-Fi. So as you can tell, it's not letting me connect because I don't have Wi-Fi. So as you can tell, this does work, and it also creates another fake Wi-Fi that anybody can connect to, that is linked to your main. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get to Google. So just type in a bunch of random stuff, and as you can tell, it's taking a relatively long time to load. So more than likely it isn't gonna load. As you can tell, it's really struggling. But I hope that you did like this video, and if you did, make sure that you go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace out. And don't try this at home.
We about to turn it on.